yung laro?
I think good job sa defense nila of getting the response. Credit to them, and we know they're a very tough team. I think ngayon na-outplay kami, out-hustle kami. Gusto namin yung laro low scoring, but yun nga, out-hustle kami sa numeral, especially down the stretch.
Galit sa team sa... Galit sa team?
Wala, okay na. Siyempre, lahat kami down, no? We badly needed a win para sa first position sa playoffs. But we still have game, no? We control our own destiny. Yung last 3 games namin, nasa amin na yun. Kung paano namin laruin and how to bounce back.
Kati, after ata nung nagagawan kayo ng bola ni Hadj, kaya na technical si Coach Tim sa unahan, ano bang tingin mo sa nangyari na yun?
I don't know. Hindi ko alam kung anong tamang tawag doon. But for us, syempre, pwede maging foul. So, but nung time na yun, hindi naman din, I think hindi kami bumatalo. Kasi kanina, those are breaks of the game. Tingnan sa amin pa rin kung bakit kami natalo. We have to be more better, especially on sa defense namin down the stretch. And sa decision making, I think marami din kami turnovers, and I think yung assist namin na limited. So, yung titignan namin.
Scott, bilang dami ng history mo with Geraldo, did you expect any less from this game na mag-intensify detail?
We always expected na against Meralco, always a very rough game, tough game palagi kasi we all know kung paano kalakas yung team na yun, veteran team, they know how to play the game. And it's a good thing na meron pa kaming chance na may 3 games pa kami. Of course sila, they're more motivated I think than us kasi I think the last game nila ngayon. So, credit to them. They come up with a good play. Yeah, back-to-back game against Magdalena, number 1 team. So, siguro, for now, isipin namin yung mga mali namin today's game. Magpahinga kami sa mga players kasi sa Sunday, let's see, it's up sa mga coaches na kung ano yung adjustment namin.